guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. If you guys have any other video ideas or anything of that sort, make sure to comment down below and I will definitely reply or tell you something about the idea that you have, or just replying to your comment. I will do that definitely. I will be doing like a makeup brush review, but I'm not going to be applying any makeup. And if you guys want to see me do that with these brushes that I have, make sure to comment down below. One of my family members, her name is Cindy, she's been watching my videos and she told me how proud of me she was, and she decided to actually go and buy me makeup brushes. So I was really grateful for that because I've really been needing some new ones. Thank you so much, Cindy, if you watch this. Yeah, let's get right on into this video. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start. What happened to my camera positioning? Oh, okay. So she came over to my house and she gave me this bag. And I'm going to open it now. Ooh. It's in bubble wrap. They're texting me. Just kidding, it's one person. So I'm going to unwrap this. Who else loves like the satisfying feeling of popping bubble wrap? Like, that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah. Oh my god. Does anybody else think that's so satisfying? Oh my god. It's amazing. Amazing. Okay. So here's the box. And it's by Do Color, Dream in Color, and this is the Fantasy set. And the brushes include a powder brush, flat kabuki brush, highlight brush, concealer brush, eyeshadow brush, blending eyeshadow brush, flat definer brush, angled eyeliner brush, lip brush, brow and lash brush, angled blush brush. That's hard to say. Angled blush brush, contour brush, smoky brush, I don't know what that is, lip liner brush, eyeshadow brush, and angled eyeshadow brush. So yeah, I'm going to open this now. I'm going to open this up. Oh, I probably need that again. So these are the brushes. So I just opened this. Oh, okay, right here. I'm glad they have this because I don't know what some of these brushes are. Okay, so here we have the, I don't know if it'll focus or not, but I better not lose this. I don't want to lose this. Okay, this is really small. Oh, and there's also something else in this bag too. I might as well see what it is because it might be something useful. You never know. Well, I mean, all of this stuff is useful. Like, there's nothing that's not useful. Oh, it's wrapped in this. Oh, it's a brush holder, so that will be really helpful because I've been meaning to make one. It was DIY, but I'm lazy, so yeah, putting that in there. So now, eyeshadow brush, the smaller one. This is the powder brush. The angled blush brush. And this is the flat kabuki brush. Okay. Also, you guys, I noticed that the video that I just posted with my cousin, you guys actually really like that, so I'm thinking about doing another video with her in it. So comment down below if you guys want to see that, because I know she's really funny and entertaining. So I got the Lord on my side and he stay with me.
God first in your bow ain't amazing to me. I can't let just anybody come.
So yeah, I think that's the end of this video. You've seen all the brushes that I got, and I will literally condense this video to like 6 minutes. That's my goal. This video will be 6 minutes long. Yeah, but it's this box. This is what I got. Yeah, make sure to subscribe if you guys like my videos. Also, make sure to leave a like on this video. It really helps me and it lets me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I know you guys liked the video. Did a makeup tutorial with my cousin, so I know that was really popular. I will see you guys in my next video.